Want to learn how to make a quick and simple fire? In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly that. Let's establish what you'll be burning. Starting off will be kindling. I'll show you how to make this. Next will be twigs. This will go around the kindling. Then we have sticks. And then this will go around the twigs. Okay, now to make kindling. Pretty simple. You're just going to want to start off with some of the twigs, and you just want to take your knife, you're just going to want to cut off a bunch of slivers. As you go, you want to turn the stick so that you're always cutting on the edge.
Don't you know the devil wears a suit and tie?
Then you're going to want to collect your earnings and grab your hatchet.
July, why does the cotton feel?
Next, you're going to want to take your hatchet and cut your sticks into about the exact same size. Proportion and the amount of sticks you'll need will vary on how big you want your fire to be. After this, head to where you're going to be having the fire. To get started, place 4 logs, 2 going one way, 2 going the other way. Place your kindling in the middle, then stack your twigs going 2 one way, 2 the other way, and go up quite a bit. Do the same thing with your sticks on top of your logs. Next step is to light up a match. You're going to want to place it right under your kindling. Next step is just to step back and enjoy your fire. Here you can see us chucking some tumbleweeds inside of our fire. I'm Antlered Outdoors, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. Now enjoy the rest of your day around your newly built fire.
Don't you know the devil wears a suit and tie? So I'm driving down the 61 in early July. Why does the cotton feeling sharp as a knife? I heard him howling as he passed me by.